Many of you may be thinking, Carla, my vehicle is not in the name of my business. My vehicle is in my name personally. Am I still able to take my write-off as a business? If the vehicle is in your name personally and you want to write it off under your business and you want to actually take actual expenses, there's a special way that you need to do that. The way that you want to do that is you want to lease your vehicle to your business. Let me give you an example of how that works. Let's say that I am running 123 Tax Services and I own a vehicle that is in the name of Carla Dennis. And let's say that that vehicle payment is $700 a month and I want my business to cover the payment plus cover all of the expenses associated with operating that vehicle. The insurance, the repairs, and the gas. But that vehicle is in my personal name. What I need to do is I need to lease that vehicle to my business. That means that Carla Dennis is going to write up a lease between myself and my business. And every single month, my business is going to write a check out and pay Carla Dennis for utilizing that vehicle.